Welcome to Royal Research, where learning meets innovation. If you are someone who's curious about data, eager to analyze, or dreaming of becoming a data-driven researcher, you are in the right place. This is your complete journey through our programming from beginner to advanced, brought to you by Royal Research. In this Module 0, we'll introduce you to what R is and, more importantly, why you should learn it. R is a powerful language specifically designed for data analysis, statistics, and graphical models. Used by researchers, statisticians, and data scientists globally, it's an essential tool for turning raw data into real insights. In Level 1, we'll start from the ground up. You'll learn how to install and set up R. Basic programming concepts. Data manipulation using packages like dplyr. And how to create simple yet effective visualizations using gplot2. By the end of this level, you'll be confident with the basics and ready to take on real-world datasets. Next, in Level 2, we'll unlock the real power of R for advanced analytics and research. You'll explore in-depth statistical analysis, regression models and time series forecasting, practical machine learning with R, and data automation and reporting key for research and industry applications. Finally, we'll wrap up with a Capstone Project, where you'll apply everything you've learned. Whether you are a student, a researcher, or a professional, this course is designed to empower you with real, practical R skills. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We are excited to help you grow with R. Stay tuned, and let's start coding.